Progress is being made. I love it. So we've done a few things already, right? We tested our model on WhatsApp. I showed you that this works and it's not some hocus pocus magic trick. This actually functions. We're going to be building it out together later on, but we went through it. We went through the benefits, and then we started talking about, well, what is this WhatsApp AI agent really? Well, we're talking about a workflow automation in N8N. And there is a difference. I see this term gets thrown around between AI agent and agentic AI. And to be fair, they're closely related, but don't get caught in the trappings of just dropping buzzwords and not knowing the differences, because you will sound foolish if you don't take that time, and you won't get called out on it. And it's just good in general to have these things cleared. Especially on YouTube, many people are just dropping words just because they're trending. AI agent, right? This AI agent here, the tools agent that we see, it's designed specifically for well-defined tasks, all right? This is a tool that's going to excel at a particular job, which is basically the WhatsApp Business Cloud, as we're going to see. Specifically from that, sending messages and by interpreting triggers, all right? That's what this one is. It's our custom design, but I want you to extrapolate out of that, right? The AI agent is designed to perform the specific well-defined tasks. When we talk about agentic AI, that's more of the broader paradigm. And what I mean by that, just simply, you can think of AI agents as the building blocks, and agentic AI is going to be the framework, this overall framework that allows those building blocks to work together. Now, since this is rather simple, it's primarily an AI agent for now, because most of these WhatsApp AI agent tools, we're going to handle specific tasks like answering the questions or processing orders or whatever you're going to end up using it for on your own and take this. It's primarily an AI agent, but it has the potential for agentic AI. If we were to introduce some kind of sophistications with reasoning and planning, then it could really start going into characteristics of agentic AI. If we can build this to integrate with other systems and perform complex tasks, then it moves closer to agentic AI. So this really is an AI agent, but we're building it through modularity for the scope of agentic AI as a framework. Understand the difference, guys. And if you're still confused, I'll give you one more perspective or example to think about it. We're building an AI agent that can basically receive messages on WhatsApp, right? But it's limited. It's going to be limited to the chat interface. If we could message it and also say, hey, schedule a post about the new sale on Instagram, and it were to retrieve product information from a database, generate social media posts, schedule the post and confirm, then we're heading into AI agentic workflow. Those are the differences. I want to stop there because I do want you to think about it. I don't want to just drop buzzwords. I want us to really understand them as we go along. And now that we've defined that we're building an AI agent primarily to get started with the capacity and the modularity to become agentic, all right? Let's have some coffee, do a couple push-ups, whatever keeps you in the game. And in the next lesson, let's complete our understanding of what we're doing on this planet together on Udemy, looking at this in this moment of time. I'll see you there.